How do you bring it? Like you've trained for years. Power folding mirrors and a rear view camera. Your tools to help you hitch with confidence. When the duties get heavier, upgrade to the available gooseneck fifth wheel prep package installed right in the factory so you know it's forged from the same DNA as your truck. When properly equipped with the available Duramax diesel, it gives you the power to pull up to 23,100 pounds. And with the accessory trailering camera system available from EchoMaster, you've got 4 cameras at your back, sides, and with eyes on your precious cargo. How do you make an impression? Like a leader, with a strong build and a solid stance, with wheels in your choice of chrome, aluminum, or the ideal blend of both. From the bold signature grille to the LED tail lamps, every detail is thought out, raising the bar of design to even greater heights. Even the available high-performance headlamps offer intelligent auto-dimming technology. Meet a truck with the power to turn heads at every turn. How do you ride? Like a captain at your helm. Available heated seats and heated steering wheel? Check and mate. Controls where they belong, right at your fingertips. Comfort, leather appointed, ventilated, and top of the line. Surrounded by authentic details. Seats supportive no matter the journey. And when you want it quiet, you get quiet. Drivers, take your seat. Your truck has arrived. How do you get the job done? Like you mean business. Like nothing stands in your way. Not with that hood scoop, crowning an induction system that provides cooler air temperatures for the available 6.6-liter Duramax diesel lurking below. With 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque at the ready, that Duramax V8 is also paired with the legendary Allison transmission with overdrive for smooth shifting performance. And with the digital steering assist system, steering effort adapts to your needs. So working hard won't feel so hard. How do you perform? Like a master. Make it look easy, because we designed it to be. Bring all you need and keep it safe. And be prepared to step up your game. Once on the road, you've got an available 420 horsepower, 6.2-liter engine at your beck and call. Also available, magnetic ride control, adjusting the shocks for a smooth ride. This truck's ready to help you work hard at seizing each day to the max. How do you stay connected? Like an expert. Online nearly anywhere you go. Bring the devices. This truck has them covered. And the latest in Apple CarPlay compatibility? We're compatible with that too. Infotainment ingenuity is at your fingertips, helping make your journey even more enjoyable. Meet the truck that stays in sync with all you need.